Good morning. You might have heard this word buzzing around imposter syndrome, and you might wonder what it is. Imposter syndrome is basically when you don't feel good enough. Very often it comes with regards to business, that you maybe not confident enough or that you don't feel good enough as everybody else out there doing maybe a similar job that you're doing. What we need to always remember though is that it can deeply, deeply affect us how we work, because if we are not confident, if we are not authentic, then we can't be in the flow, we can't be properly productive and efficient at work. On top of that, imposter syndrome comes more deep set from our personal life. If we don't speak up at home, if we are inferior in relationships, etc., that can stem back from the past, from when we were very little. So let's uncover where it comes from and address it right at the root, so that your future shall become productive and efficient and confident and authentic from now on. Join us in my workshop, Stop Self-Doubt.